Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple and very quick remedy that would help you to get rid of skin tag and skin mold. So if you're having skin tag on your face, on your neck, wherever you're having skin tag, this remedy would help you so much to get rid of it, and the result is gonna be so miraculously. So if you want to know what all of this is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Alright guys, let me take you right into this video. Alright guys, so for skin tag, we're going to be needing to use lemon. Now in this lemon, we're going to be using the back of the lemon, which is the lemon zest. Okay, now lemon zest contains a chemical that helps to kill skin tag, and it also helps to remove skin mold. So if you're having any of such, watch this video till the end to see how I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of all of your skin tag and skin mold. So how you're gonna be doing this, the first thing is that you're gonna be grabbing a crater, and then you're gonna focus on the skin of this lemon. Okay guys, so this is actually our local lemon. It's actually usually green before it turns lemon color, but we most of the time do not have that lemon color lemon around. We usually have green lemons. So you focus on the back of the lemon, which is the lemon zest. So while doing this, you have to be careful. Okay guys, so you can see I've actually gotten a good amount of this lemon zest, and I'm going to be putting it into a bowl. And also we're going to be needing to use orange. Alright guys, so the same thing would apply in this orange. We're going to be needing just the lemon, the orange peel, which is the back of the orange. So this is how we're going to be doing it. Okay, we're also going to be doing it the same way we did the lemon, but this particular one, which is the orange, is usually not as hard as that of the lemon. So you're going to be scraping it to remove all of the back of the lemon. Alright, so when doing this, you have to give yourself a little patience, and then you just do this. Okay guys, so that is ready, and now we have to be packing it into the bowl. So we have lemon zest and orange peel. Now the next thing, so what we do now is to mix this together guys, because it's actually very important to mix this together. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to be needing is apple cider vinegar. Alright, so apple cider vinegar is actually a very great ingredient that works wonders in removing skin tag and mold and it also helps to keep the skin really young and youthful. So it's going to be really helpful in killing up all of the skin tag. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now you have to get an apple cider vinegar that is organic and contains the mordant in it, yeah. So you would be mixing it all up just like this, and then you're going to keep that aside, yeah. So next ingredients we're going to be needing is garlic. Now garlic is a great remedy, guys. If you're not used to taking garlic or using garlic is a great remedy for the skin, yeah. So using it once in a while would help so much for removing skin tag, and it also helps to remove skin mole, yeah. So this is how I'm actually going to be peeling the garlic. I'm going to be hitting it hard. Very simple way to extract garlic, yeah. It's actually very simple. So when you hit it that way, you then just remove all of the peel. So after removing that, then you can actually blend it in a very small blender, but since I do not have a small blender right now, I'm going to be creating it. So after doing that, then we're going to be putting the garlic into the lemon zest and the orange peel. We're still going to be turning that, yeah. We're equally going to. The next ingredient we're going to be making use of is banana. And in this, guys, we're going to be making use of the banana peel. Now banana peel is a great remedy that helps to treat skin tag, and it works so well. Okay guys, so for this banana, we're going to be using the banana peel. Alright, so the thing is that your banana has to be very ripe. When banana is ripe, this is how it looks like, okay. And in this part of Africa, we usually have our banana looking green, yeah. That's when we know that it is organic, it is harvested from our farm here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking the banana peel, because that's what we're going to be needing for this. So this is how you're just going to be harvesting your banana peel. I want to make sure that it is smooth before putting it into the other treatments. Alright, so after that, then I'll put it in here, okay. And then now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in the lemon that I removed the peel. I'm going to be squeezing in the lemon into this and then I would have to be mixing it all up. Now there are two ways in which you can actually apply this, okay, and I'm gonna be showing you those two ways right now. Now before you apply it, you have to keep it for like 1 hour for this to actually mix together really well, and then it is working. Yeah, so let's apply it. Okay guys, so anyway you have, I've actually been keeping it now is about 30 minutes, and this is how it has changed color. Okay, so you have to smell it. When all of the smell is kind of a little, you know, little kind of harsh, and the lemon mixed together, you know that it is actually really working. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do. The first one and the second one I'm actually going to be showing you. So if you want, you can just take this ingredient and then you put it here, and then you sieve it. Okay, sieve all of this. Now I'll recommend you actually blend all of this also, so that all of the full benefits will be in it. So we have the one with all of the chaff and the one without the chaff. Yeah, for this particular one, you can actually take it like this, and then you apply it on the skin tag. Okay, you apply it this way, just like that, on that skin tag. Just like that. Okay, so for this one you can also keep it for, for like 1 hour or thereabouts. Okay, if you have a plaster, just put it over it, and it's gonna be very helpful. It's going to gradually, in 3 days, just in 3 days, the skin tag is going to fall off, and it depends on your skin tag, if it's big or if it's small. If it's small, it's actually not going to stay till 3 days, except it is actually big. Okay, so this is what you do. And for this particular one, let me show you how you're going to be using that. Okay, for this particular one, you're going to be needing a cotton wool. Yeah, you're gonna dip it into this treatment just like this. So invariably you're just using just the juice, and then you're gonna put it over the place in which you have the skin tag. Yeah, you take the cotton wool, dip everything into the juice, and put it down there. Just like this. Yeah, okay, so guys, now for this particular one, you can also use a sellotape or a plaster. Plaster would make it stick very well and stay. Yeah, and this one you can stay for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. It depends on how you can stay, because this ingredient does not have that tingling feeling. Okay, it's actually very smooth and all of that. It doesn't actually disturb your skin. You can put it in the evening and remove it the next day if you want. Yeah, if you can go with that. And also for this particular one, yeah, for this particular one, you have to If it's a small skin tag, it's gonna go really fast, like it's going to dry. Or if it's a big skin tag, it's also gonna dry and then it's gonna fall off. Okay, so you try it and see. From 1 to 3 days, you're going to see a huge result, and it's very effective. Now, in case your skin tag are really small, you can as well just apply this onto those places where you have it. Apply it and let it dry. Now when it's dry, you can wash it off after like 1 hour or 2. Now for this particular one, since it's open, okay, hair is touching it, it might go for 3 to from 3, 4, 5 days. It's okay, it will all dry off. If you're consistent in this, you're gonna see the result, because this natural homemade remedy are just based on consistency, and there's no chemical in it anyways, no preservative. So try it out and let me know at the comment section. But before you try it out, you will have to test it on your skin and see, in case if you have a sensitive skin, okay, you don't use it. So that's it, guys. Just do it just like I've said. You can choose either of the two. You can sieve it out, or you can just use the one with chop. Okay, and your results is going to be amazing. Just try this out and let me know at the comment section how this has helped you. Okay, so that's it. I would see you soon in my next video. If you do enjoy watching this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye. Kisses.